Hello everyone. So this is Tassimo Suny by Bosch. It's a coffee machine designed for coffee lovers, and it's very easy to use. It's a compact, lightweight coffee machine that's very easy to use, very easy to clean, and it's very affordable as well. You can purchase one of these for less than £50 UK currency, and this is how it looks. So here with the coffee spills, you can take it out, wash it, rinse it out, just put it back in again. And then on the right side, you've got the indicators there as well. Here, you just pull this up. That's where the coffee pods will go in, and then you close it. And at the back here, that's where the water goes in. So you fill this up. You can take this out. You fill it up, and then just put it back in again. That's it, and off you go. You also, underneath here, it comes with these. Just gives you more information of how to use this coffee machine and how to clean it, etc. And also this as well. Okay, so the good thing about this coffee machine is that you can enjoy over 70 drinks from 11 well-known brands that they make those coffee pods. And it also has it has built-in auto shut-off function, automatic cleaning and descaling as well. It also has any drink size, and it has the water temperature and brewing time as well. And the indicators are there for all three of them. Also, the tank is 0.8 liters for water capacity, and it's suitable for all cups, like I mentioned. It's energy efficient, and yeah, that's all the features. So stay tuned, let me get this set up so you can see a demo. So on the right side, that's where the power switch is. When you switch it on, the indicators with lights will come on. Then open this up, put the coffee pods inside here, close it. So once you close it, that's it.
So there you go, it's ready. It's very easy as well. Just open this up, just chuck this in the bin or recycle it. So other than that, thank you for watching my video. Please do give a like and subscribe.